Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. We have to start exercise 5A. We have done question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Question number 4 we have done part from A to F. This exercise consists of linear equation. Linear equation means the power of variable is 1. We also write the general form of linear equation ax plus b equal to 0. Linear means the power of variable is 1, means the least power of variable is always 1. If there is any power without 1, then this is not linear equation. You also look here, every power of variable is 1. There is no 2 power, 3 power and 4 power. Got it? Okay class, today we have to start question number 4 from G part. Got it? This one is G part. Exercise 5A, question number 4, part G. Okay, G part is 3 into 2y plus 3, 4y plus 3. This is very simple. Okay class, now look here, there is no sign with 3 and this bracket. It's mean 3 multiplied by 2y and then 3 multiplied by with 3. 3 multiplied by, just like previous question, 3 multiplied by 2y. There is no sign with 3, it's mean there is plus sign, plus plus plus, then 3 multiplied by with 3. 3 multiplied by with 3. Got it? Equal to 4y plus 3 as it is. Now we multiply by these. 3 to the 6, 6y plus 3 3 the 9 equal to 4y plus 3. Got it? Now we combine like term, just like we combine 6y with 4y and then 9 with 3. Now just like previous question number 3, this is just the same of previous question number 3. This statement, look here, this statement is like question number 3. Got it? Now we solve next part just like question number 3. 4y shift with 6x, 4y with plus sign, when we shift it will be minus 4y, equal to 9 shift with 3. 9 is plus sign, it will be minus. Now we subtract this, there is plus sign and there is minus sign with 4. Plus minus minus, 6 minus 4, then we get 2y, equal to, there is plus sign and there is minus sign with 9. Plus minus minus, 9 minus 3, then we get 6, minus 6. Now 2 is multiplied with y, when we shift it will be divide. Now we cancel these, 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, so that the answer is minus 3. Got it? This is very simple. Now you come on next part. H part is just like same G part. Got it? Now I part is I write I part 3 into y plus 2 equal to 2 into y plus 4. This is very interesting question and very easy. Now 3 multiplied by with y, then 3 multiplied by with plus 2. 3 multiplied by with y plus as it is. Now then 3 multiplied by with 2. 3 multiplied by with 2. Got it? Equal to, similarly 2 multiplied by with y, 2 multiplied by with y, and then 2 multiplied by with 4, plus 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 2 multiplied by with 4. Got it? 3 multiplied by with y, then we get 3y, plus 3 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 2, then we get 6, equal to 2 multiplied by y, then we get 2y, plus 4 multiplied by 2, then we get 8. Okay, Now we combine like term, just like 2y combined with 3y. 2y is plus sign. When we shift into the other side, it will be minus 2y. Okay, 8 as it is. 6 is plus. When we shift into the other side, it will be minus 6. This is very simple. 2y shift here and 6y shift with 8. Sorry, 6 with 8 and 3y with minus 2y. Okay, now this is plus sign and this is minus sign. Plus minus minus, 3 minus 2, then we get y equal to plus minus minus 8 minus 6, then we get 2. There is plus sign with 8, that's why 2 is also always with plus. This is your answer. Y equal to 2. Got it? J part is same just like I part. Now you come on K part. K part is 2 into 3b minus 4 equal to 5 into b plus 6. This one is b. Similarly, just like previous question, 2 multiplied by with 6b and then 2 multiplied by with minus 4. Just like 2 multiplied by 3b. There is plus sign and there is minus sign. Plus minus minus. 2 multiplied by with 4. 2 multiplied by with 4 equal to, and similarly 5 multiplied with b. 5 multiplied with b plus then 5 multiplied by with 6. Okay, 3 to the 6b minus 4 to the 8 equal to 5 multiplied by b, then we get 5b plus 5 multiplied by 6, then we get 30. Now we combine like term, just like b with b and constant with constant. 6b, there is plus sign with 5b. When we shift with 6b, it will be minus 5b equal to 30 as it is, and 8 convert with 30. There is minus sign with 8. When we shift here, it will be plus 8. Okay, now there is plus sign and there is minus sign. Plus minus minus, 6 minus 5, then we get only b, 1b. You also write 1, but it's not necessary to write here. Okay, now plus plus plus, 30 plus 8, then we get 38. So that b equal to 38. This is your answer. Very simple. Any problem? Now you come on M part. All parts are same and very easy. There is no difficulty. 9 2d plus 7 equal to 11 d plus 14. This is M part. Now 9 multiplied by with 2d plus 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 9 multiplied by with 7 equal to 11 multiplied by d plus 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 11 multiplied by 14. Got it? Now 9 to the 18d plus, and then 9 multiplied by 7, then we get 63 equal to 11 multiplied by d, then we get 11d plus 11 multiplied by 14, then we get 154. Now we combine like term, just like 18d with there is plus 11d. When we shift with 18d, it will be minus 11d equal to 154. There is plus 63. When we shift, this is minus 63 after shifting. Now we subtract this, 18 minus 11d, then we get 7d. There is plus sign with biggest value because 18 is the biggest value and have plus sign, so that this is also plus 7. Okay, now 154 minus with 63, then we get 91. Seven is multiplied by with d. When we shift into the other side, it will be divide. Okay, now it will be cancelled. 7 1 the 7, 7 1 the 7, 2 is carry, there is 21, 7 3 the 21, so that the answer of D is 30. This is very simple. Okay, I also cancel here. Look here. 7 1 the 7, 7 1 the 7, 2 is carry, after carry this is 21, 7 3 the 21, there is 13, so that the value of D equal to 13. Got it? Very simple questions. Okay, now come on book. We have done 4 parts, E, I, K, L. Now these 4 parts I also write here H, J, L or N. These 4 parts is your H word. Just do practice of these parts and inbox me your query, and you also write solve down C work and H work both. If you have any problem, then please inbox me. Thank you.